Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, is once again grabbing headlines, and this time, it has nothing to do with her dramatic weight loss journey or her personal relationships. Fans were shocked and intrigued when rumors began swirling online that Tammy has taken on a new job, one that's as surprising as it is refreshing. While the show's earlier seasons focused largely on her struggle with food addiction, health battles, and complicated family dynamics, this new chapter in her life suggests a stunning transformation not only in her appearance but in her mindset and drive. Tammy's new job has become the talk of the internet, especially among devoted fans who followed her turbulent journey for years. Many are praising her ambition and courage, while others are raising eyebrows in disbelief. So what exactly is Tammy Slaton doing for work, and why does it matter so much? It's not every day that a reality TV star known for battling life-threatening obesity suddenly shifts gears and becomes a working woman in a field no one expected. It's no secret that fame has opened doors for the Slaton sisters, but Tammy's decision to pursue employment outside the glitz of television is bold. According to inside sources and leaked social media footage, Tammy is now working as a social media brand collaborator and body positivity advocate for a wellness and clothing company that promotes self-love, plus-size fashion, and healthy living. Not only does she model clothes designed for all body types, but she also creates short videos sharing self-love messages and stories of her recovery journey. Her platform is growing rapidly on TikTok and Instagram, where she posts behind-the-scenes snippets of photo shoots, daily routines, and candid talks about mental health. Her followers are loving the new Tammy, confident, focused, and unafraid to speak her truth. Fans who once feared for her life are now seeing a woman who seems determined to live a fuller, happier existence, and her new job is a big part of that transformation. But this development didn't come out of nowhere. It's the result of months, if not years, of personal evolution. Following her successful weight loss surgery and rehab stint, Tammy has become far more active and open about her goals. Where she was once withdrawn, she's now stepping into the spotlight with purpose. This job allows her to merge her influence with meaningful advocacy work. It's also a clever financial move. Tammy knows that reality TV fame can fade fast, and diversifying her income streams is not just smart, it's necessary. Her collaborations reportedly include paid partnerships with skincare brands, healthy snack lines, and online mental wellness communities. These are brands that align with her new lifestyle, sending a powerful message to fans who struggle with body image and health. Tammy is showing that it's possible to be in recovery and still thrive, professionally and personally. However, the job comes with its fair share of controversy. Critics argue that Tammy's platform may still glorify unhealthy habits, especially when she posts older content that contradicts her new age. Others believe she is simply capitalizing on her fame without doing the real work. Still, her supporters fiercely defend her, pointing to her dramatic weight loss, commitment to therapy, and new advocacy as proof that she is finally on the right path. Social media debates have erupted over whether Tammy deserves this second chance in the spotlight. But there's no denying the facts. She's working, she's present, and she is visibly healthier than ever. Her sister Amy has even publicly commented on Tammy's new job, expressing pride and admiration. "I never thought I'd see her doing something like this," Amy shared in a recent Instagram live. "She's got goals now, real goals, and she's going for them." Their brother Chris Combs, too, has weighed in, saying that seeing Tammy earn her own money and build a name for herself outside the family SHO was something we never thought possible 5 years ago. For fans of 1000 LB Sisters, Tammy's career move is symbolic of everything they hoped for her: independence, self-worth, and purpose. The job has even sparked new speculation that TLC might pivot Tammy's role in future episodes, focusing more on her work life and personal development rather than her health crises. Some insiders claim producers are already filming new footage showcasing Tammy's modeling gigs and social media shoots. Others believe this could lead to a spin-off focused entirely on Tammy's career. That idea is gaining traction in online fan forums, where viewers are already proposing titles like Tammy's Turnaround or The Slaton Glow Up. Even media outlets that once painted her in a negative light are changing their tone. Tabloids that once criticized her for being lazy and unmotivated are now applauding her work ethic and hustle. She's become a symbol of transformation, not just in weight but in spirit. Tammy has also used her new platform to promote causes close to her heart, including anti-bullying campaigns and body acceptance for people of all sizes. Her new job has even inspired fans to share their own stories of change, crediting Tammy as their motivation to seek help, change their habits, or simply believe they can do more with their lives. As Tammy continues to embrace her job, she's also becoming more vocal about wanting to create a non-profit organization in the future. Her dream, to start a foundation that offers financial and emotional support to people seeking bariatric surgery and therapy. She knows firsthand how costly and isolating the journey can be. If I can help someone else get the support they need, then everything I went through was worth it, Tammy said during a recent TikTok Q&A session. Her words touched thousands. Whether or not Tammy's new job will be featured on 1000 LB Sisters is still up in the air. TLC has remained tight-lipped about the direction of the next season, though fan speculation is at an all-time high. What is clear, however, is that Tammy is finally taking control of her story. This job, unexpected as it may be, is a huge leap forward from where she started. It's not just about the money or fame, it's about dignity, direction, and hope. Many fans have long felt protective of Tammy, watching her fall and get back up repeatedly. They've rooted for her through addiction, heartbreak, loss, and ridicule. Now, they're watching her rise, and not because she was cast in a show, but because she chose to show up for herself. Her job is more than just a gig. It's a statement, a declaration that she refuses to be defined by her past. The Tammy Slaton the world is seeing now is driven, joyful, and evolving. Her job represents a new kind of success, one rooted in healing, authenticity, and empowerment. She's no longer just a star of a weight loss show. She's a role model, an advocate, and an unexpected inspiration. As fans eagerly await what's next in her journey, one thing is certain, Tammy Slaton is just getting started. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.